What is this?
It's Microsoft Excel.
You are all
garbage.
Knew it! Joke's on you, Steffi, for pre-garbaging yourself again. Predictable, as usual. Change up your game. Welcome in, everybody. And happy Monday. We are here at yet another Monday stream, looking for an answer to the question, will we hit 1,000 followers in this stream or not? We are currently sitting at 990 followers, which means we only need 10 more follows. Most people here are probably already following, but there's a small chance that if you're here and not following, I encourage you to click the button. I would like to welcome in officially, or being first, Jay Walter. I would also like to get angry officially at Jay Walter for also being not first. You're not supposed to claim both. Thank you for sending good vibes, Yost, and welcome into the stream. Also welcome to you, Steffi. Also welcome to you, Forex, and Jay Walter's bot. You are also welcome. Jim, welcome to you. And I believe you didn't roll such a good number on the die, but that's okay. Change is good, pseudo-random is not random. What are you referring to exactly, Jim? or is Jay Walterbot off on some tangent about stuff? Comparing Jay Walterbot to my own ChatGPT API experiments, what temperature does the bot use? That's a sentence I literally did not understand at all. I hope all of you are having a good Monday so far, or you are wrapping up your Monday. If you're just getting started because you're in a different time zone, then good Monday to you. How was the weekend for everyone? Steffi changing her strategy. Oh, I see. Yes. Yeah. Steffi should definitely change her strategy. Have you shared Maddie's stream in your circle of friends? I don't want to pressure you, but there are some furry bunny streams. Yes, there are bunnies involved. Temperature is the factor in the ChatGPT API that determines how random the response to a prompt is. 0 is not random, 2 is extremely random. Interesting. So what's the default setting then? 1? Don't tell me what to do. But I'm the streamer, Steffi. Of course I can tell you what to do. Otherwise you wouldn't be here if you didn't want me to, you know.
Wow.
Tell me what to do. Yes, I'm early today, Rugmat. Welcome in, Rugmat. I'm early today, but it doesn't matter. We're good. Right, chat? No, I can't. I can leave and unfollow. That's true. You can. But you also kind of can't. You know I will unfollow. That's true. I know you will unfollow. That's true. But you also kind of can't leave. You're kind of trapped here, you know? This is like the place for you to be. You know what I mean? But anyway, next week you'll be really early and I'll forget times change here starts next week. Oh, does it? Ah, interesting. Our time zone change is the last Sunday in March, I believe. Let me actually check this, I'm not sure. Swiss clock change. Yes, Sunday, March 26th, we will be changing. An hour forward. But my stream will still be at the same time. Welcome to time zones, chat. Anyway, I hope you all had a great weekend. Look at that. We have a new project today, chat. You now have a reply tone setting in Bing chat. Tone is professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational, funny. Does that describe you really well, Forex? That's the question. Does it really apply to you? Does it tell us who you are as a person? Are you a professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational, funny person? Or are you more a unprofessional, stiff, unenthusiastic, non-informative, dry person? Like the actual opposite of what Bing chat is. That's the real question. So yeah, I have a new project. There are reasons for the project. Some of you know, some of you don't. I won't be going into the reasons for the project. But I'm building a clone of Wordle. How many of you remember what Wordle is? I don't know if any of you even still play Wordle, but I do. I'm actually on my 130-day streak right now. Rugman every day. Steffi as well. Very nice. Yes, I'm currently on a 130-day streak. I do not intend to break it. I can prove it to you if you really want proof. Wordle's on stream. No. It's literally, it's a Wordle clone. It's just a Wordle clone. It's literally a clone of Wordle. But we can start to build in, we can put in some really nasty features if we want, because I don't really care if it's good or not. Hi, Rick. Yes, I'm online again. That's right. I was online earlier today in our Discord. Oh, you landed, Forex. 73. Not bad. Why? Yes, why I'm doing it will remain a mystery. For those of you who do not know. For those of you who do know, you know. That's why the go live notification today was, if you know, you know. That simple. My traditional water bottle is...
Show me what you got.
Okay, I'll show you.
Show me what you got. Show me what you got. I want to see what you got. Oh boy.
My traditional water bottle is currently in the dishwasher, so I have a new water bottle. Some of you might know who this is from. You could probably guess if you really wanted to. That's right, I got merch from a very cool data brand, which is exclusive. Apparently, it's not. Is this a Rebo? Rebo? What's a Rebo? The link contains a Wordle alternative where you guess according to the pictures from the movie. Oh yeah, I know that one. Framed, right? Framed.wtf, exactly. Rebo. It could be a Rebo. Underneath. No, I don't think it's a Rebo. I think it's a Moo. It's a Moo bottle. It's a Moo bottle. M-O-O. So it's a big brand, I think out of Germany. Hold on. Tighten it. I think it's Moo, yeah. Come on, focus, camera. Moo it is. Very cowy. It's very cowy. Yeah, I got this sent to me by Count. Thank you again, Count, for sending this to me. I really like the bottle. It's a very nice gift. I also got some stickers and stuff from them. Super nice, really. I mean, we worked together now on this campaign in January, this learnsql campaign, and it went really well, and I really enjoyed it. And I think we will be I think we'll be working together again very soon. So can't say more than that at the moment. But if you are listening to this or watching this and you are a data brand, or you work for a data brand, or you know someone who works for a data brand, thank you, J. Walterbot, for the follow. 9 more to go, chat. 9 more. If you would like to... My bitrate apparently is not good, but whatever. If you would like to do something together, we'll all unfollow at 9.99. Apparently I'm at 9.90 again now. I was at 9.91. No, I was at 9.90 when stream started, which means someone unfollowed. Thank you, J. Walterbot, for sending good vibes. Yeah, if you want to work together as a brand for content creation stuff, not only on stream, we can do off-stream stuff too, then I'm happy to talk to you. Just get in touch with me. You can, the easiest way to reach me is through my website or all my channels. That's the easiest way, if anyone is curious. My website here. Hi Owen, good to see you. This track's a bit meh. That's better. How are you doing, Owen? I hope you had a good weekend. What have you been up to recently? So Steffi, you actually unfollowed, but did you refollow? That's the question. Because if you didn't refollow, then you are to blame for us only being at 990 and not 991. My bitrate is unstable. What? It's at like 6,000. Get out of here, Twitch. What are you talking about? No, I'm looking on the inspector. In the dashboard, it said it was unstable, and now it's better again. For the first couple minutes of stream, it was unstable, and now it's better. Did I get a notification that you unfollowed? That you refollowed? No, I didn't. You too, I'm good. Thanks. Been working on my mate's blog site, finishing up learning the Laravel website. Just finished making my first dynamic blog clone today. Hey, that sounds pretty good to me, Owen. Congratulations. Drunk Catio. Thank you for the follow. That's a great username. Sorry, that's a great username. I know a YouTube couple who built a patio for their cat and they called it a catio. So I don't know if drunk catio is a play on words for that, but it's very funny. Then I guess you didn't refollow. Oh my gosh, that's savage. Prettyware, thank you very much for the follow. Are we getting follow botted? What's happening? What is happening? Is everyone sending their bots against me? Is that what's happening? It's very nice. Thank you very much. If you are sending your bots. It's very convenient. Yeah, anyway, so I'm building a Wordle clone. Although, hashtag disclaimer, I kind of already have it. Because I cloned it from an open source repo. From a tutorial. Because, like, I didn't really want to build it from scratch. That's why I said clone. Because it's a clone. So I kind of already have it. And I came up with a name, but I don't think the name is very good. But the name also doesn't matter much. So, yeah. So it's done? No! We need to feature creep it. We need to scope creep it as much as possible. So that's what we're doing today, chat. We're scope creeping the heck out of my Wordle clone. But before we do that, we have to start with something, chat. I think you all know what it is by now. Or do you? Make it run Doom.
Garbage.
Hi, Josh. Welcome in. How do we start the stream? With the memes. Let's see if anyone lands first. Also, can someone change this background? It's like the standard one that comes up. It's pretty boring. Feel free to put whatever you want. Oh no, I'm gonna land in my own stream, aren't I? Nope, I missed it. Whew, lucky. Thank you for the background. That's a light background. Oh look, there's a light above my head. Oh, there's a keyboard. Okay, I guess you can do something boring like adding charts. I could add a chart, that's true. I actually was considering to add something like Supabase to track games that people play. That would be kind of cool. I just don't know anything about doing that. So I don't know. But that's like severe scope creep. Super scope creep. Yeah. But you can backseat scope creep today all you want, really. Because half the stuff I'm not even going to listen to anyway. So it really doesn't matter. But yeah, I do have some ideas though of things to do. One of the big things is it's currently in light mode. But anyway, let's check out the meme chat. Because it's 6 past 9. Thanks. Yeah, I don't know why there's an alligator in here, but whatever. So I didn't configure the browser source properly. Ta-da! Thank you, Ruckman. This is today's meme of the day. My experience in trying to read a recipe over the weekend can be summarized by just so much garbage. Data trash. Again. This is why I built my own tiny recipe site way back when. Because I'm so tired of getting to a website and having to read 7 pages of nonsense about someone's near-death experience in a Californian valley to get some recipe for like noodles. It's just so exhausting. And basically the entire internet has become so hard to use, chat. Why can't people just make websites now where you open the website and you can use it? You know? It's so horrible. It's just a horrible experience. The internet has become a horrible experience. It's just horrible. And it's like everything has some underlying reason. It's like, oh, we needed to include this pop-up because if we don't put this pop-up, then people don't know about our newsletter. Put it in a footer. Like, just put it in a footer and have people subscribe if they want to subscribe. People will see it. Yeah, pay to win. Monetization, exactly. Hi, Trevor. Good to see you again. Trevor is a longtime follower of Matty Two Shoes. No, it's just so frustrating. It's horrible. It's a horrible experience. Which is why I always build these tiny little websites that have, contrary to my own, like, my own discipline of analytics, zero tracking. No analytics, no tracking, no pop-ups, no cookies, nothing in your face. But the price I pay for that, chat, the price I pay is I'm sitting here at not even 1K followers after 2 years of streaming on Twitch because I don't plug myself. I don't sell myself. And that's the problem. That's where you lose in this story is people have become so, I don't want to use the word blind, but people have become so used to the fact that they see these banners that they don't see the banners anymore, like banner blindness, but I don't like using the word blind. Thank you, Sultry Conk. Sultry C-O-N-C? Tell me how to pronounce your name. I would love to know. Is Matty talking about himself in the third person? No. I'm not talking about it. What? Did I do that? I shouldn't do that. I didn't. It wasn't deliberate if it happened. No, but it's just like, that's why I always try and build sites where there's nothing intrusive anymore, you know? Yeah, greedy. I wanted to make free services for devs or normal people to use might be cool stream content. See, the problem is, Owen, I had this debate on Twitter with another content creator who said that they're seeing a lot of people tighten up or close communities where they were offering stuff for free before, and they're seeing creators tighten that up or start charging for stuff. Because basically the free crowd, right? People who want stuff for free have such high demands. They have such crazy expectations.
Wow.
You know. And me, I've been doing a lot of stuff for free for a long time, but I've never been under the illusion, ever, that I should give everything away for free. So some things I give away for free. Some things I help people with for free. I mentor people, I give away a lot of my time for free. But there are some things that I do that I always charge for. One-on-one consulting time, I will always charge for that. There's no way I will do that for free. If someone has a problem and they want me to debug the problem with them and it's going to take several hours, I'm charging them. It's that simple. And so this creator, I had a bit of a jaded response, but I said that these people who give away stuff for free for years, they've been living under a rock. They've been cheating themselves to think that they can just give away stuff for free and not have the free crowd come along and be like, oh, hey, I downloaded your plugin, but it doesn't work properly on my computer, so can you please tell me how to fix it? Thanks, bye. And that is exactly what's going to happen to you if you give everything away for free. Which is why free actually means lead generation. Hot take. Alternative opinion. Free actually means lead generation and reputation buildup for you. That's what it means. If you do a good job with free content and people like you and they learn about you, they will pay for your content that is good. They will pay for your solutions that are good. That's basically how it should work, in my opinion. It can be a strategy. Some people don't want to do that strategy. That's fine. They charge for everything. But other people, they want to have a free tier or a free type of content or whatever they produce, right? I mean, look, this is how SaaS companies do it. A lot of SaaS companies have a free tier where you can use their product for free with limitations. It's like we need a word between free and premium. Trevor, if only there were a word for that. Between free and premium. Wait a second. Wait. I know. We could call it prima free. Prima free means it's basically free but also premium. P. Exactly, Rick. P. Or preel. Or pre. Yes, pre. Pre sounds great. Prefium. Yes, Owen, you should definitely say that when you fix stuff. Sorry, I'm just reading chat back because I was ranting. If you're using a free service, that means you are the product being sold. So if the entire service is entirely for free and there is no paid tier whatsoever, then usually you are the product. I agree with that. Prefium? Prefium. But there are some services where free is literally just a growth strategy. Forex has a friend who developed a much-used framework for PHP. It's got nothing out of it. He just gets complaints from people. He's slightly burnt. He screwed the whole thing up on a bad open license. That's what free is hard to lock behind a paywall. Yes, what's already free is hard to lock behind a paywall. Yeah, it is. Once you've made something free, it is very hard to go back on it. Jay Walterbot says a free or premium, something that is not free or premium, is called a paid or subscription service. Yeah, I don't think it understood, Jay Walterbot. I don't think it understood. So yes, this is the meme of the day. I'm tired of trying to people to exploit you on the internet. So I will continue making websites and products and doing things for people that are simplistic and don't try and capitalize on their time.
suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hi, Ian.
John Ralphio?
Hello, Ian.
Wow.
Content. Drop the content. A freemium service. Oh, freemium. That's the word we were looking for, chat. We were looking for the word freemium. Right. Okay. Yeah, that's true. That is a pretty accurate word. That's pretty accurate. So, what kind of weird background have you put on here, chat? Yeah, thank you for solving that.
Failure.
Content failed to land. So chat, we let's start building my thing. All right. So, how am I doing this? Well, ironically, I hate IP-based analytics even more than cookies. You can defend against cookies, but not against reading IP addresses. That's fair. So, where am I putting myself, chat? I think bottom left is the most suitable. So I already have a clone of Wordle. I have chosen to call it datiddle. Yeah, do that, Rick. Thanks for lurking. Appreciate you. I know you need to wrap up your workday still, because you mentioned that earlier. I've chosen to call it datiddle. I don't believe it's a very good name, but I also couldn't come up with anything better on the spot. So it's datiddle. I'm open to better suggestions though. What does it look like? Well, it's exactly what you think it looks like, chat. It looks like Wordle. Now, what I would like to do with you, chat, is scope creep the crap out of it. But first we have to make sure it works as desired. Does it support 1048 characters and you have to guess a SQL query? Scope creep the crap. First thing, definitely dark mode. We're gonna do a dark mode toggle. But for that, I think we need some kind of header on the top. But first we need to nail the functionality. We have to make sure the functionality does what it does. Now, I've been playing around with it and it works pretty good. If I put stuff in here, then it shows me the right thing. And it's doing well. The problem is that I have removed the dictionary, so you can literally place any word you want, and it will just tell you if those letters are there. And then when you get a word wrong, it will tell you what the right word was. There's a little toast thing here. I'm not a big fan of the toast notification, but whatever. And so the validation is basically, it's looking at all the words that I have said can be used, which is, we'll get to that in a moment. But basically from what I understand is that the script checks your guess against a word list. Let me check where that was. Current guess. Checking. Yeah, here. So basically here, if words includes current guess. So basically, is your current guess in the word list? Now, we can choose to download a dictionary and say, oh, your guess wasn't in the word list. Or we could, we could just say, you can guess any word you want, screw you. We could technically leave it like this, in theory. But basically, if I say, if I include this part, this is what happens. So if I type something like these, it's not in the word list. If I type chart, it's not in the word list. If I go to words.js and I look, you can see chart is actually in the word list. So I think, wait, hold on. I think this is actually not correct. Hold on a second. Why can't it zoom? What's going on here? Okay, I have to zoom manually. Can you read it, chat? Is it too small? Zoom in. Oh, that's better. It should randomly remove a previous green-yellow square from an earlier row if you don't at least get something new right. That's not how Wordle works. Or if you guess a naughty word, it resets the whole thing. We could definitely reset the thing if you guess a naughty word. Like right, you know? So yeah, what I don't get is why... Hold on a second. Get out of here. So if I do chart, word not in list. How come this is doing some weird thing? I need to make a... Hold on a second. How do I make it run? Oh, I have to do it in dev console, don't I? It's a new feature for Wordle. Wordle, but it doesn't let you guess any words. Exactly. Source. Breakpoints. Script.js. Where's that? I want to make a breakpoint. Function delete letter. If here, this thing. So chart. At this point in time, let's check what everything is. Call stack, check guess. How can I see the... Check guess is currently a function. Oh, sorry, current guess. That's not the one. Current guess. I'll see. Okay, so current guess is chart. Ah, so we need to put the letters back into a word, because current guess is actually separate letters. It's an array. Oh, where does it do that? Delete letter. Where does it do that? Current guess. Press key to lowercase current guess dot push pressed key. Let current guess equal array. Current guess dot pop. That's on delete letter. Interesting. If you wait unwordle, if you wait too long before you type in the next guess, the earlier rows fade out. You know, Yost, those are actually pretty complicated things to do, I think. Okay, so how do we... What was the thing to put an array back into its own string parts? Is it join? Array join? I think it's array join. Creates a new string by concatenating all the elements. Yeah, it is join. The latter just sounds like a set timeout plus CSS. Current guess dot join. Okay, so if I do like this, then it should work. Chart. Okay. What is current guess? That's fine. Let's see what happens. Not in list. What's this bang? What's the bang in front of this again do? If not true? So if not includes, if not includes current guest.join. I feel like we have to probably take this out and say let word guess equal current guest.join, and then includes word guess. I don't know, just to be sure. And then we're gonna console log word guess. Hey, Dr. Dynamite, thank you very much for the 12 months. My friend, it's Christmas and what? It's your Christmas and birthday together. Is it your birthday, Dr. Dynamite? Also, Drowsy Bayonet, thank you very much for the follow. Getting crazy, crazy names today. How many followers are we at, chat? 993, is that correct? Is that correct? 993? Is that, oh, 994. We have 6 more. Your stream birthday, it is most certainly your stream birthday. Thank you very much, Dr. Dynamite, for subscribing again for 12 months. I appreciate the support. Welcome back to the stream. Datum. Okay, let's do chart.
Matty, did you know that the word t-shirt is an abbreviation of Tyrannosaurus shirt?
What?
Because of the short arms.
Thank you, Karen, for letting me know that t-shirt is that abbreviation. I was not aware of that. Also, hi, Finite. Welcome in. So this isn't working. For some reason. Aha! Oops. I bonked my mic, sorry. Wait a second. That is true, and I should know as I'm a doctor and also a dino. Yes. So it's still concatenating with a comma. How can I concatenate without any separator? If omitted. Ah, oh, empty string.
Asked if they have any books on paranoia. The librarian replied, yes, they are right behind you.
I think it's fixed now. Okay, so the word is depth, but chart is in the dictionary. Word not in list. What the? Some weird stuff happening here. Chart. There we go. Okay, now it works. So it was a formatting problem. So we can just do this, and we can get rid of this stuff, and this should work. All right, so we'll do chart again. Not enough letters. Oops, what? I must have pressed enter too fast. So you're at the library, asked if I have any books on paranoia. The librarian replied, yes, they are right behind you. Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. Can you imagine actually asking a librarian for books about paranoia? And then they tell you, someone who looks like you just checked one out already. What was a more important invention than the first telephone? The second one.
It's called a lift. In the States, we call it an elevator.
Why?
I guess it's because we're raised differently.
Oh, come on! Come on! Raised differently. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel Inside.
You should insist on Intel Inside, chat. Raised differently. So actually we can see the correct word. Thank you for the 100 bits, Ian. The correct word is actually here in the console, split. So if I do splat, if I would type splat now, it's not in the list. It's not in the list. But if I did, what's another data term? Hold on. If I did joins, sorry, right. Okay. Joins. So I know that there's an S, an I, and the T is in the last position. So I could say it's going to be...
It's not on the list. Jonah,
International network.
S-T...
That's not.
S-H? No. H is already taken.
Why?
Yeah, there aren't that many words. S-P-L-I-T. You guessed right, game over. That's why right was wrong. Right is actually best? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. But we are 6 followers away from... We're 6 followers away from 1,000. That I know for sure. Why is Twitch saying my bitrate is not good? What's happening here? Aha, because we had like a 13,000 thing. But now it's fine. Now it says it's excellent. Now it says it's excellent. Go away, Twitch. Should I have Roscoe's unfollowed to make it the lucky 7? No. Oh.
What do you get when you cross a dinosaur with fireworks?
I guess dynamite. And then you get explosions. I don't have any explosions anymore on my soundboard. We'll all unfollow at 999. No, please don't unfollow. Please don't unfollow at 999. That's so savage. Why would you do that? People do that at like 100,000 subs or something, you know? Anyway, so the functionality is good. The question is, do we want to restrict people to the words that are in here? Because the problem is, if we do that, then people will have only 38 chances of getting a word. And then the chance that they get it right is 1 in 38. Versus them guessing all the words and just getting the right letters.
Very common name these days. But back in medieval times they named people Lancelot.
They did they did name people Lancelot in medieval times. So personally, I'm more of a fan of allowing all words, whether they're a word or not. So if you want to guess audio, you can guess audio. That's my starter word, by the way, for Wordle. Now I see audio didn't return any letters. So I know that the only vowel in the word is E or maybe Y. So I can start with like sigh. No, what would I do with a Y word? Glyph? That's 6, I think. Yeah. What would I do? Maybe something with E and Y. Farts is a better starting word. Well, we already know that A doesn't have anything. Adieu. Ooh, fancy. How fancy you are, Steffi. With adieu. That's very fancy. Adieu, as we say here in Switzerland. See, and it had an E. Yes. Not bad. We know there's at least one E. So if I said, okay, maybe it's merge. Oh, look! I got it, chat. Amazing. Yes, but you took the starting word position, so you can't criticize farts, Maddie. That's true. Ian, are you gonna land? Are you gonna land? Are you gonna land? Are you gonna land? No, overshoot. Sorry. So anyway, so the functionality is good. We know that it works. I personally think we should be able to put any word. What we could have is we have basically words.js. We could say, these are the solutions. Okay, I'm going to rename this to solutions. And then somewhere in the script, I'm going to say import solutions from solutions.js. Now I need to search everywhere for words. I need to replace all of these. Edit, replace in files.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Match case.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
John Ralphio?
Uh-oh. Solutions.js does not exist. Oh yeah, because in index.js, we have to include... Wait a second, what? Does not provide a module. Oh, package JSON. Wait, why is there such a big package lock? Huh? 98.25, Steffi. That is a very good landing. Congratulations. What is going on here? Why? What broke? I don't understand.
Yesterday I tried to pay cash at the plagiarism store. Unfortunately, they only take credit.
Oh, wait. I didn't save that. No. Solutions is not defined. Export const solutions. I'm so... Get out of here, Drowsy. Really? I'm gonna get 3 more of those, I think. Because that was the first one. Wasn't it? No, that was the most recent one. That was 11 minutes ago. What a shame. What a shame, Drowsy. Not a real follower. What a shame. Solutions is not defined at script.js. Path 7. Import solutions from /solutions.js. What's the problem here? I don't get it. Solutions is declared, but its values... Oh, is it uppercase? What the... I'm so confused, chat. Why does this suddenly not work? Is it casing? Oh my gosh, that's horrible. Decided I'd listen to Angry Tuna Mix. I'm not disappointed. Oh really? Did it turn out to be good, Dr. Dynamite? Okay, so everything works. I also don't want to put the right guest string out to the console, because I think that's not good form. Alright, so there we go. So we know that this works. You can now put in chart. We can put in right. We can put in joint. Okay. Give me the other vowels. Okay, the I is in the right position. Pivot? No, wait. Something with IT. Something with IT on the end. Minute? No. You did more digging. You have lonely salad? Merit. Oh. The right word was split. Again. So that's what I mean. There's only 38 words. So we also have to get more words in there. But for the moment, it definitely works. So we're going to do a git add everything. Sorry, you can't see this, chat. Git add everything. Git commit. Search for entire words. Git push. All right. Should we branch? First feature, dark mode. Guess ChatGPT could make you the list. Yes, ChatGPT could make us the list. I actually had ChatGPT make me the previous list already. But let's do dark mode first, chat. You can open a Subway with those lists. Lonely salad. Angry tuna mix. Here. See? Hello? It's loading our conversation. Here are some additional puns. Oh, that was for the name of the game. Here we go. More words, not including the ones you already supplied. with exactly 5 letters, no more, no less. Wrapped in single quotes with a comma at the end of each word. Let's see. Sub of the day. A foot-long, lonely, angry tuna sub. With salad. Here are some more words related to data analytics. How does it look? I don't understand how a simple solution like this can still get numbers of letters wrong. It's horrible. It's just terrible. Tip of the day on branching. If you name it feature/dark mode, many Git clients, including the VS Code Git client, will group things in folders, e.g. feature/dark mode versus bugfix/broken dark mode versus chore/updating dark mode. Did you see the person who got GPT to make a brand new puzzle game? No, I did not. How are these related to analytics? Look, Tensor has 6 letters. ChatGPT is horrible. This is actually useless. Horrible. These are just horrible words. None of these are 5 letters. None of these are 5 letters. That's the problem. Okay, so let me just hold on a second. Let me update the word list then quickly. Okay, so this is the first. Thanks for putting a freaking dot on the end. Selection, tools, view, edit, convert case, lower. Okay, this is 4 letters, so that's out. Hadoop is also not 5. Glue is also not 5. What's an Uzi? I don't understand. Puzzledpenguin.substack. ChatGPT invented its own puzzle game. Cool. Ask Bing Chat. Query, probe, study. Do we have those? Study. Okay. Query I have. Probe. Python is 6. What the hell is wrong with this thing? Why can't it find words with 5 letters? That's such a simple exercise. stdev. Ooh, that's a smart one. That's a smart one. Study. Model. That's not in there, but we'll do it. Model. I don't know why Maven would be analytics related. AVRGE. AVRGE. Okay. Mean for those tasty mean values. Mean. Amazing. Meter. Okay, sure. Meter. Trace. Trace is good. I think score. I'm not sure if we had that yet. I think we did, but it's okay. OpenCV. OpenCV. We can put whatever you want in here, chat. I really don't care. The game just has to work. It has to work. It has to be playable. That's all. That is the most important thing. Scope. Hold on, I'll take all these in. 1 second. Should I put my own name in there as a joke? Should I do that? Is that a good thing to do, chat? What do you think? I don't know if that's a good thing to do. Tensor also has 6 letters. How does it not have count? I'm sure it has count. Oh my god, it doesn't have count. How blind is ChatGPT? Hold on, I'm gonna sort. I'm gonna sort and zoom in. I can't zoom. No. No. Window. Zoom. No, what the? Not what I wanted. View. view. How can I not zoom in anymore? Window. View? It's not in here. Oh wait, font size. It's font. Font larger. Command plus. Ah! Okay. First makes you lose the game. Guessing Maddie will let you lose the game. Oh my gosh, that's actually hilarious, Chad. Should we do that? Okay, so Finite said we should do git checkout b feature slash tripwire. Let's call it tripwire because I think that's a cool name. So writing any weird variation of Maddie or right or first makes you lose the game. Wait, okay. Where does the solution get parsed? Let's see. The solution gets parsed in shade keyboard delete letter check guess. So let row equal blah blah, let guess string equal blah blah. Right guess equals array from right guess string. We'll just make a for here, or just make an if condition at the top, right? SQL sounds like one of the cold and flu tablets. Yeah. If just have an if condition and then it doesn't do anything else. Hold on. We need to make this so that the if is wrapped here, because we don't want it to do anything else if this doesn't work. I don't want it to check anything. It will fail instantly. Where is this? Hold on. How can I get it? So if I do if current guess, hold on a second. We have to do the thing again. Where was the guess? Oh, I already did it. Current guess join. If current guess join, can we do in? Can we do compared to arrays? Can we do that? Just return. Shoes? So you're saying do like this. Just return. But I think it, like, you have to fail it. It doesn't do anything that way. You actually have to fail. Where was the false thing? I know there's a toast with the error here. Ah, I could set the guesses remaining to 0. I suppose that's possible. There's a little loop here. If guess string is, yeah, here, could do like this. Hold on a second. But we want it to be on any of the guesses. If guess string, so this is going to do anyway. You've run out of guesses, game over. You guessed right, game over. But actually, I'm curious about something now. I'm actually a bit curious. Chart. What would be the word this time? Hold on. R and T. R and T. Oh, pivot's in there twice. R and T. Oh my god, it's probably right. No, it's not right. R and T. Trend? Trend. Ah, TRE. Trees? You guessed right, game over. But technically, I could still type? Oh no, it stops it from typing. How does it do that? How does it do that? I want to know how it does that. Oh, there's a return. Yeah, so... Yeah, guesses remaining. It sets it to 0. And then returns. So... okay. So we could do here, before this condition, we could do an if here. Basically from before. If blah, we'll just check the condition here. Oops, I already had it in thing. So if, oh, we're gonna have ads. I forgot. We have ads, chat. I missed all the chat. We have ads. Toaster dot error. You used a forbidden word. Game over. And then guess remaining equals 0. Return. So if I do chart and then I do Maddie, use the forbidden word, game over. Oh. Oh boy. Well, now we're at 993 followers again because I banned. Thanks, Rugmat. So, yeah. That's how that works. I feel like we should highlight the letters weirdly. You know? I feel like we should, hold on, let's go back to the list. Now we can permute the list. Edit, permute lines, unique. All right, so now we have the unique words. Hey, there's 73 now. There's no count though. Count. Okay. Okay. What the? No, that's not what I wanted. Okay. So we updated those words too. So if I do bench, E-N-N, T-R-E-N, trend. No. Okay. Let's see if we can guess it. E-N. Cubes? No, that's no N. No N. Input? This is actually pretty tricky. Also, does someone know what Uzi means? Uzi? Apache workflow scheduler for Hadoop. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fair enough. EN. What word is this? Oh, it could be range. No, but there's no R. There's no R. Okay. E. Look for all the N words. Trend, trunk, bench, we did. Clean, there's no A. Oh, there could be. No, there could be not. Count, no E. I'm just gonna play my version of Wordle while ads run. And then you don't miss anything, chat. How about that? Oh, Maven. Maven. Ah, you guessed right. Game over. Okay, but if I do chart, bench, oops, bench, right, and then I say Maddie, use the forbidden word, game over. But I want the letters to become all red, all 5 of them. I need to apply a style to the letters. And it does that here in the... Oh, where does it do this? Check yellow. Checking guess letters. Oh, when does it do this? Check green. We should put it in at the end. Hello, world. Rugmat, did you land? Oh yeah, 54. Okay. Drop. Okay. Check green. Check yellow. Checking right letters. We need another for loop. Basically. If current guess blah blah blah. We could put the for loop inside the if, because we don't need it to do it. Oh, it will stop after the return. So we need to do a for and then the return. For I equals 0, I equals 5, and then no if condition. Letter color. Is that a style thing? Letter color. Ooh, where does it do that? Letter color. Wait, where is green defined? Huh? Letter row. Where are the letter colors defined, chat? How confusing. I'm gonna move my camera, seeing as we're not using this space. Where is letter color? Yellow? Wait, is it actually using that as a color? Var letter color. Oh yeah, it is already 10. Holy moly. Letter color equals green. But I don't get it. I don't understand. Where is... Okay, letter color is used here as the var. Letter color equals green. It still doesn't make any sense to me, chat. Ah, box style. Here we go. Oh, I see. So if you put... Thank you, J. Walter. So if you put in a hex code in... I want to change the colors anyway. I hate the colors, but we'll do that in a second. Ruckman, I think you suggested the thing with the array, right? Array.includes, right? Hi, Flyboy. Did you mess up my stream on purpose? Ah, it's Flyboy coming in with all the points! And vision trouble. Oh, I can see so much better now, Flyboy. Thank you so much. How are you doing, Flyboy? Glad to have you back. We are 7 followers away from 1K. Do you know how sad it will be, chat? Do you know how sad it will be if we don't actually hit the 1K today? Because I wrote 1K celebration in the stream title. It's going to be so savage. It's going to be so savage if we don't hit the 1K. It's going to be horrible. It's going to be disgusting. Oh, someone used vintage. That combo is always very funny. Oh, Dr. Dynamite was it. Thank you, Dino. Yeah, no, it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be weird if we don't hit the 1K. Let's have a look what the bunnies are up to. Shenanigans, probably. I made some new things for them over the weekend. I don't know what you all have been up to. Oh, just in time for a double loaf. How cute. Look at that cute double loaf, chat. Do you see it? All the way up? Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I need to take my glasses off to see properly. We got a double loaf sighting. Congratulations on landing, Ian. Very well done.
Landing in the drop game is just one of those things you need to do. Oh, I see. So, I'm protected anyway, Flyboy. Thank you. Protected my identity from myself. Jay Walter needs advice. I see. Okay. What's the advice? Right?
Yes, I, letter color I equals red. Okay. We do not need an if loop. We just set each letter color to red. We're supposed to get 25 centimeters of snow. Should I drive to work or work from home? I think you should probably work from home, unless you want to stay at work, unless you want to sleep at work. Although 25 centimeters is nothing major, right, for you. So the feature works as intended. We need to do let forbidden words equal array. Maddie, what words do we want in the array? Shoes. And then we do forbidden words dot includes. I think that's correct. No, that didn't work. What did I do wrong? First, yeah. Tell you what, I'll work from home so you don't have to. It should be fine, exactly. Wait, someone backseated code for me. Write other words dot includes. Oh, wait, I have to put quotes around each of them, don't I? Because it's an array of items. Yes! You used a forbidden word. Game over. I would love to play a sound as well. So sounds are on the list. By the way, if you want to play this, you can. like, it's on Netlify if you want to play it. Obviously, the version that's online doesn't have the tripwire yet, nor the higher amount of words yet. But if you want to play it, you can. Forbidden words includes Maddie, shoes, and first. Shoes. Game over. Okay. Chart. Plent. Chart. You can just do as many things as you want. And then if you use a forbidden word, you're out. Okay. I don't like the colors, but we'll fix the colors in a different feature. So git add. Git status. Okay. Git commit. Forbidden words. Words function. And longer solutions list. Git push. So now on Netlify, excuse my privacy quickly. On Netlify, we will have a pull request that we can merge. Scope creep, have channel points to add words and forbidden words. No, you can just add them. You can just add them. I honestly don't mind. You can just give me suggestions. Forbidden words, I'm less likely to add. Yet. Should I also host it on my own GitHub domain? Or should I leave it on Netlify's domain? Because I could always put it to a GitHub domain or something. But I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's not worth it to buy a custom domain for this. Because the domain will always stay on Netlify. Now it's claimed. No one can claim it anymore. So, you know. Compare and pull. Forbidden words and many more solutions. Pull request. Everything is fine. Merge. Confirm. Merge. Nice. All right, so it should auto deploy now that it's merged. There we go. It's building. It's building. It's published. Datiddle. .netlify.app. Forbidden word. Florida Man 779. Thank you for the follow, Florida Man. If you're a bot, you're going to get banned instantly. When were you created, Florida Man? Are you a real person? Are you real? Are you a real person? Okay, dark mode, chat. Finite, you were saying something about the feature thing. So I should name it... git pull for the latest version. So we want to do git checkout b feature / add dark mode. And that's like more clear. Although this is like a throwaway project almost, but yeah. It's almost like a throwaway project. It's not, but it almost is. Almost a throwaway project. Dark mode suggestions, chat. What's the easiest way to do it? What's the best way to do it? Something in the top, in the header? Clicking datiddle? I'm really open to suggestions on this one. Maybe next to datiddle, a little sun emoji. I mean, this is how I do it on my website. I have a little toggle. Listen to the browser preference, then a button to change it. Okay. I don't think there isn't even base CSS on this. Actually, I like Lucida for this game. Don't ask me why. Well, listen to browser preference. Yeah, so my browser preference is dark. So we're gonna do a body thing. Body. Color. Pink. That should work. Wait, what? Sorry. Why is this not working? Huh? What am I doing wrong? Wait a second. What am I doing wrong? What's going on? HTML. Oh my gosh, it's background color. Okay. All right, so we have a background color. Something that won't clash with... Wait, how do we set it based on the browser preference? I actually don't know. CSS browser preference dark mode. I don't know what the thing is called. Prefers color scheme. That's the one. Theme a background. Here it is. This is the one. Cool. Gonna make me switch to laptop. Why is that? Prefers color scheme dark. We're gonna set HTML background to... I feel like using the gray from the dev console. That's not black. Cancel this. And then the font color should be FFFF. Heck yeah. Ooh, that looks good. What's this? What's this line? Oh, that's an outline thing. Where'd that come from? That looks good. How did the letters appear though? Ooh, the border is black though when you type. Hold on a second. I have to set my preference to light so you can type background color. No worries, mate. Just, yeah, it's fine. Sources. Wait, I can just go in the elements one. Where is that thing? Hold on. This is under letterbox filled box. So letterbox border gray. If I do white. No. Oh, it's filled box. Yeah. That's what it is. ED. That's I think the one. No. EF. Okay. And we want a filled box to be could be white. I don't see the issue. if it's filled though, I don't know, it could take a different color. We could gray it out to something more gray. Do I have a gray in here in my history? Let's use coolers to get us a gray. So we went from this gray, or this black, I should say. Go away. Okay, so we have raisin black and FFF. These are locked. Generate us some other colors here. Ooh, I like this palette. Chat, how do we feel about this color palette? This is not bad. This could be nice. I quite like this blue. We have to think about, we need a right, a wrong, and a band letter color. See, right now it's red. Red, green, and yellow. Let me just start it again. So if we do chart, first, oh shit, I forgot about. Thanks, Florida man. Thank you so much. East. Ooh, okay, that contrast is bad now. That contrast is bad. We have to figure this out. We definitely have to correct that. Because that makes the text color white, but we want the... Oh, we can't just override all the texts. We could do a thing where if we find colors that work in both dark and light mode, that could work, because I can keep the color, I can keep the letters black. I'm not too concerned about that. Also, I want to just make something here. 1 second. Body. I want all the letters to be Lucida Sans. I think it's a nice font for this. Don't ask me why I know that. I just like it for this. But like this has to change, for example. Florida man, are you from Florida also, by the way? Yeast? Wait, I need a correct letter in the correct position. I need to check what the guess is. Console. Right. Guess. What is the thing called? Right. Guess. String. No, you prefer Switzerland. No, but are you from Switzerland? Because you have Florida, man. You have Florida in your name. I mean, right guess string. I don't even know what the solution is. Hi, TD, by the way. I don't think I welcomed you. I know you wrote welcome. I don't know what the word is. We'll just have to guess it. I actually don't know what the word is. Let's try trees. Trees. No. Okay. Is that the UK version of Fred Flintstone? Sounds like it, doesn't it? Something with S and E in it. Great. Like all the words. From Switzerland, I just think the vibe there is funny. Welcome to the stream. Where in Switzerland are you from? I'm based in Zurich myself. I wonder if you're nearby. Cubes. Cubes. Oh, no right letters. Okay, so E is also not there, which means it's something E. Okay, hold on. There's a C in it. There's a movie coming out called Florida Man? Really? That's funny. What's it about? Oh, it could be score. Oh, okay. This is a great example. The formatting has to work in this situation. So the green, we could change the green. Oh, we could change the green. Hold on. Even as an American, I find the Florida vibe funny, but also like not funny at the same time. Ah, near Bern. Okay. That's, yeah, it's about an hour away. It's not super far. Everything in Switzerland is relatively close, right? It's a Netflix series called Florida Man? How weird. Okay. Okay, so hi, Fractal. Good to see you again. This green needs to be replaced. Now, I want to replace it with a variable. So I'm going to declare a variable here. Can I declare a variable that uses CSS colors? Is that possible? Instead of writing it everywhere? So I could say let yellow game colors. Let yellow equal, I don't know, what's a yellow color? Wait, let me get a different color. Let me get this one, just to see if this works. It's a string. Yeah, so if I have a yellow here, I'd have to replace them all without the yellow. Hold on. Check yellow. Let yellow color equal yellow. Oops, no. Sorry. Okay. Old color equals yellow. Okay. Okay, so that should work, for example. So if I do chart. Oh yeah, okay. So that the R is a good color now. Right, as much as I'd love to stay, first day back has ruined me. I need sleep. Dino, I pity you. I hope you feel more awake soon. And yeah, have a great rest. Stony, tier 1. 6 months in advance? What? Stony, what have you done? 6 months in advance? What if I stop streaming now and don't come back for 6 months? Well, why would you do this? Stony, thank you. That's very nice. Thank you so much. Oh, that's really kind. Then you will be angry, and that is your right. That is 100% your right. Don't make me redeem disconnect. I'm not. Although I want to rename these. Green is actually correct. So let's check for other references to green. Okay, old color equals correct. Is there another reference for green anywhere? Just here. Okay. Although correct is... How are you, Stony? Did you have a good time in A's stream? Is A still streaming, or did A stop streaming now? 6 months ahead is so I don't go sub to everyone, so easy, make a choice. Thank you, Stony. Thank you for your commitment. So correct is technically weird because correct is like... Yellow is also correct, it's just in the wrong position. So we'll just call yellow, we'll just call position. Yellow. Check position. position yellow. Let position pause. Hey, stop streaming. I'm good. How are you? I am doing just fine. Yeah, I can't complain. I went over to a friend's house yesterday for dinner. A very good friend of mine. I've known her for over 20 years. 25 years, actually. We've known each other. And her kids got hold of some slime. It's like this slime toy. And they were playing with it and they chucked it on the roof. And the roof here is not flat. Like, where we live, it's flat. But where they live, the roof is not flat. It's like slightly rough material. And so the slime got completely stuck in the ceiling. And yeah, it was quite a mess to clean up. But we had a nice time. We had a nice time. We had a, a very simple dinner around with her kids. It was very nice. Nice little family meal. Chats. Correct is not defined. Ah, yes. Ah, forgot to put that. Okay, let position equal this. Let correct equal some kind of green. Her reaction though was pretty impressive. She didn't yell at the kids. She's pretty calm, but she didn't yell at the kids. She just told them, like, I'm breaking Wordle, of course. No, I'm making my own. Of course. Start. Audio. I need something in the correct position. So there's an O and a U, so it's probably rouge. What? What kind of word is this? Grou. Oh, group. I'm gonna do grout just to make sure. Okay, so these are the colors. Now I'm making my own version of Wordle, called datiddle. If you want to play it, you can. Beware, it's not in dark mode yet. I'm sorry, but it's for data analytics people, so it only has data analytics words in it, like stdev and stuff. So just word of warning: you can guess any word, but only words in there that are, yeah. Okay, so we'll do color FFF, which would okay, that smacks all the letters into white, which is good, except these ones. Are those, where is that coming from? Keyboard. Are those images? You don't see the outcome of that command. What? That's weird. Do you not see this? It's so strange. Do you see my message? How weird, Stony. Twitch is breaking a lot of things. Okay, so group. Yay, you guessed right. Garbage. Game over. You probably use that garbage spam bot. What? Stream elements. Why are these letters red? Why are these letters black? That's what I don't get. Where is the letter coming from? Keyboard button. Keyboard button. How is it black, chat? Is this like a special thing? I'm so confused. Keyboard button. Keyboard button. There's nothing that defines it, but okay. You see the announcements, but not regular messages. Okay. Well, I think this is okay for me in dark mode. I think this is okay for me. Because you can still use it. Most people use the keyboard anyway. Although the eye is a bit weird. The spacing is a bit strange. Now that I see it. Min width is... What is the min width? What is the min width of one of these keyboards? How do I know that? I couldn't possibly know what the width is. 10.6 by 18? What does that even mean? Reading chat is hard enough, so I like to make it not harder by having it interrupt with useless repeated crap I will see 10 billion times. Oh, so you... Oh, I see. You've muted it. Ah, okay. Text plus padding. Okay, so it's 18 plus 16. 32? 32 px. It's a bit strange, like some of them are more narrow. Like this one. Then this one. It's like 34 or something? It looks more narrow, but I can't tell if it is. That's what's weird. Use a monospace font. Oh. Yeah. Why is the font here different anyway? That's a very good question. Why is the font different for this class when I've defined the font for the body? Doesn't that, like, get inherited? It's a bit weird. I mean... so weird. I guess it's the right font? Wait, let me check. Why do I care about this so much anyway? Styles. Inherited. Font family. Oh! Ah, because buttons have a standard font family. Oh. Right. It is inherited, but I could maybe do a... important. And then it will actually be inherited. Still not. That's so weird. Oh wait, the important is on the outside, isn't it? No? No, the important would be there. In the way is in the beginning? Oh, I haven't done CSS in so long. That's so weird. It's a weird thing. Do you have a CSS reset at the end before? No, I don't. There's no reset in here. It's weird how it's not inheriting it. Because this is Lucida, and then this is something else. This is like Arial or something. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen, chat. There's something overriding this. 1 second. Keyboard. Continued. Keyboard cont div. Keyboard button.
What is this?
It's Microsoft Excel.
A style sheet that changes the default browser styling to have no difference between Chrome and Firefox. No, I just... No. Nothing like that. You wrote style sheet. I think that's one of the ones that triggers it. Yeah. I don't know. It's a bit weird. How odd. How odd. Well, I'm not particularly mad. It looks okay. The problem is, okay, so I have chart. These colors are not good. We need to change the colors. These are not good. Oh, and the red. Forgot about the red. Let letter color equal band. Band colors. Band equals... Okay, so we need 3 colors. If you go for good on mobile, just set the buttons to be 40 pixels. Ah, yeah, that's true. I read that 40 was the min. Thank you for that. I don't really care how big the keyboards are, because this thing uses almost no space. Actually, I haven't looked on what it looks like on mobile. I haven't looked. iPhone SE. I mean, it's not playable. Yeah, they're all square, which is fine. I don't really mind. Do we need padding? Let me remove the padding. I'm curious to see. Oh yeah, we definitely need the padding. Yeah, this is not a responsive site. That's the problem. I don't care though. It really doesn't matter. It is literally not important. So we need better colors. Ah, this yellow's nice. That's a nice yellow. Okay, so we'll take this as the yellow. We'll take this as the position. Let's see if we can get a nice green in here. Ooh, that's a good red. Okay, that's a very good red. Oops, sorry, I took it out. Lock. Now we have to get a nice correct color. Some kind of nice green. Come on, give us a good green. Come on! Fern green. Light sea green? Eh. Oh, emerald! Nailed it. Okay, so the band color is this. What's a really good idea, Fractal? Making a Wordle for data people. Is that what you think is a good idea? If you knew why I was doing it, I don't know if you would think it was such a good idea. Oh, the Wordle theme. Okay, so chart, rogue. Okay, I like the colors. You used a forbidden word. Okay. Those colors work for me. Those colors work for me. So dark mode works. Now the problem is, what happens when I change to light mode? Will those colors still work? How can I change my preference? How can I easily change my preference? I know there was a way to do it. Wasn't there a console? Prefer... There was an easy way to do it, I know. What was the way to do it? Rendering. Performance. Application. Where was it again? I know that there's a way to do it. Ah. Rendering. Yeah, but where is that? Let's check. Sources, network, elements, DOM properties, performance, more tools. Ah, more tools. Rendering. Thank you. Ah, here we go. Emulate, CS media type, prefers reduced motion, prefers contrast, force colors, no. Color scheme, light. Ta-da! Oh wow, did that not stick? That didn't stick. That was weird. Okay. Okay, so light mode. We need to sort out light mode. So in light mode, we can't override those things. Hi, Alicia. What is this? These are bunnies trying to escape. It's what I'm hearing in terms of sounds. This is datiddle, which is Wordle for data people. Welcome in, Alicia. You have to keep the DevTools open. You can pop the DevTools out of the main browser frame. You data. How dare you? How dare you, Alicia? How dare you? But I just realized that my dark mode thing does not work for this. Okay, so the letterbox border. Hold on a second. This is actually, hold on, we can do this. Dot letterbox border 2px solid black. No, F. We could take this color or the standard one then. So is it trying to get data on like what words are used frequently? No, it's literally datiddle. So it's Wordle for data people, meaning all of the solution words are all data related words. So you can guess any word you want. So I could put in here, I could put in there. Wow, that broke everything. So I could put there. How big is that dictionary? Yeah, it's 75 words. So I'm not saying it's exciting, but yeah, it works. There's a reason why I'm making this game, but I can't tell you all the reason for making this game right now. Because the reason I'm making it is horrible. It's the reason I'm making a game, and it doesn't have to be very good. But that will come out very shortly. And it is not to compete with Dandle. I can promise you that. You can see Jerry pulling the gate away from the wall. Because they're trying to get at the door. Because the door behind contains wood. Delicious wood. Did I get fired? I'm looking to make a quick million. Also not. Also not. Jerry, stop pulling the gate, sweetie. You're not gonna get through. They try every so often now. The reason is not horrible, but it is, yeah, it is not, it's not a great reason. So I need to guess another word. Trend. Okay, so you see that the colors work in light mode. It's fun to make a good enough reason is to do this. Yes, you're right. Making a game is fun. Actually, I thought of a lot of reasons why it's fun, so that's cool. So this works in light mode, except that the borders disappear, because that is a filled box border, which should actually be this color. Because I don't care about that. But I should change this in light mode. In dark mode, I should change this to FFF. So now let's change to dark mode again. Okay. I think we have to reload. Why? What? How? Where did the borders go? Oh, I have to... I need to put them in an app media thing, right? I need to put this in the whole thing. Don't I? I need to put the entire thing inside the app media, because otherwise it does weird stuff. Wait, app media and then an else? Is that the way? Wait, I'm confused. You know what? The easiest solution is always the most simple one. No, that doesn't work. No, that doesn't work.
Intel inside.
Basically, you only need to have colors defined inside your dark mode. Yeah, exactly. But what if the other colors are different, Stony? Hi, Mia. Good to see you again. I've seen a couple different variations of Wordle on stream. It's neat to see the different ways people implement it. This is a straight up clone. I have been very transparent about that in my README. It's from someone else's Wordle. I did make a lot of changes though. Like now if you use a banned word, if you write first, it's immediate disqualification. If you write Maddie as a word, it's an immediate disqualification. If you write shoes, it's an immediate disqualification. So there are some little there are some why are those banned words? Well, because we can. Because we can is the short answer. Define them as variables and use them as variables first. Okay, let's play that through for a second. 10 out of 10 reason. Yeah, exactly. So wait, can you define CSS variables? I've never actually... Have I ever done that before? Hello, Bun Buns. Mia, have you ever seen the bunnies? I don't know if you've ever seen the bunnies on stream. We have a new bunny camera set up. I see them playing around. Actually, we should take... with var... Yeah, true. Okay. Good point. The bunnies are very cute. Zoomies! We are catching live zoomies. They have a great setup. I've actually added a few more things to their setup. So they only had one floor on the hutch, and now we added a second. Do you ever call it popcorning? Ah, no. So we call them binkies and zoomies. But yes, popcorning is a fitting term. Memes are blocking the bunnies. Yes, I know. Memes sometimes block the bunnies. They're having a bit of zoomy time. We had the tent before. We took it down and then we put it back up because we realized that they really like it. So they like pulling the legs. So it's kind of funny. Soft stuff, they tend to just chew through it. So we don't keep too much soft stuff around. The carpet is one of those situations, for example. But yeah, they're having a great time recently. They love it. So right now, I don't know if you can quite see. Get out of my face, pretzel rocks, triggering the memes. They now have like a top floor in the hutch, in the very top right corner. They now have a top floor in the hutch where they can go up, and they quite like that. I have to put a marker for this in the stream. I need to show this afterwards to Mimi Two Shoes. Oh, the ball time. We could just watch Bunny Cam for 2 hours. I like that you have a dedicated room for them and not a small cage. A small cage is pure cruelty. We could not do that. That would not be right to have a cage for them. They deserve way more space. Yes, they have a little shelf as well on the side of the hutch now. They have access to lots of cool things now. The town rug is gone, unfortunately. The reason being it has a massive hole in it because they completely destroyed it. That's what I mean by carpets. So they are very destructive when it comes to carpets. Jerry is thinking about trying to jump over the gate, but that's not going to happen.
You can't stream me back to my childhood.
Good meme trigger there, Fractal. I know you didn't mean to, but it was funny. Yeah. When Jerry plays with the ball, he gets up on the... Oh my gosh, they're really having so many zoomies. It's so funny. He gets up on the ball and he like backpedals while he's on the ball. It's kind of funny. I don't know if he does it all the time. Whenever we see him, he's doing it. He's so adamant about getting behind there to the wood. It's terrible. They have so much wood in their room. They have this entire hutch made of wood that they can eat. And the one thing they want to go for is the door frame. Jerry, stop that, silly boy. Shenanigans. Yeah, anyway, well, we're gonna have ads in a few minutes, but you know what, let's take a short break. I haven't been on break yet. Let's take a short break, chat, and we'll be right back. You should track cats. They have so many things. Track them with a camera and visualize their favorite places each week. That would be very cool. I've wanted to do tracking for a while, but it's quite difficult to do. It's a bit tricky to do. Same with my cats. They have so many things designed for them to destroy. Yes, they do. They do. So yeah, we'll take a short break. By the way, I love this emote from Alicia. In case you haven't seen Alicia's stream, definitely go check it out sometime. Drop a follow. Alicia streams basically every day, from what I understand. And I think we have Bunny Cam, so we'll do Bunny Cam, and I'll see you in a bit.
Stop it.
Can't do it.
What is this?
I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Hello and welcome back, everybody. I hope you also took a break for yourself while I was on break. I went and refilled my water in my delicious water bottle. Thank you, Ian, very much for the bit. I am your break. What am I, Kit Kat? Get out of here, Stony. I saw that we had many bunny antics. I saw that they loafed in the end, which is very good. Let's get back to it. So variables is the key. Variables is the key. As always makes me work, you don't. Ah, no, I don't have to make you work. Of course, if you want to work here, you can. If you want to work on stream, you can. You don't have to, though. So variables. Here's the thing. If I define a variable up here, if I define a variable up here, and then override it in here. So I have body h1 game board. Should I do multiple things? Should I do like multiple at media things?
On Intel inside.
You have to put them inside a root parent. Yeah, but I'm wondering if I should do like multiple at media queries if I only need one inside a root. Do I only need like one root, and then if I do one root and then inside the root I have the media query? Or do I define the variables in the root and then overwrite them with the media query? I have to test this out. I just don't know the answer. That's the thing. Let's try. I need a star at the end, right? Something like this. So if I do... No, it's double colon. Single colon? I always forget. No, single.
Another powerful reason.
Yes, you can define them anywhere, as long as your variable declarations are made in the root. Ah, okay. Fractal, you like working on side. That's interesting. So if I call this background, I call this background, and then I say no, this one. Well, the background hasn't been an issue, to be fair, actually, because background is light by default, so that's not an issue. But we'll call this border letter box empty FFF. No, it should be black by default. Renato C. Francisco, thank you very much for the 5 bits, Renato. I appreciate it. Hello, Maddie, here's some bits. I've been learning to use Swagger API. Swagger! Yo, you got Swagger! I probably shouldn't have done that. It's gonna get clipped. How are you, Renato? It's very good to see you. Letterbox empty, letterbox filled is also that. You can have local variables, but for this you want them in the root and then do it again, but wrap your MQ around it. Let's try it out. Oh, I broke something again. So there. So this works nice. This works nice. Now in my media query, if I have dark mode, I want to have my border be 2 pix solid. Also Power BI, Socorro. Socorro? Oh, is the star a problem? Ah, okay. That's, yeah, okay. But now in dark mode. Seke? Seke? Infamous! Thank you very much for the follow. Are we gonna hit 1K now? We are 6 away from 1K followers.
The lady just wanted me to sit on the cat. She's like, yo, I'm leaving. I'm going on holiday for a couple days.
Oh, that's 2. We might do it.
When you sit on them.
We might do it, chat.
Can you do that?
Oh my gosh, we might do it, chat.
Who am I to say no? You know?
Who am I to say no? I clean my clips. What the fork is this? Hamster dung, IMAD, and Madlu, and Infamous. Thank you for those follows. I think we are 2 away from 1K. I think there's 2 more, chat. Wait, let's do it live. I think it's 2. I think it's 2 more. I think it's 2. Wait, I gotta check out my own stream. The little clip shoutout is a very easy tool from efuse.gg. Seke, thank you very much for the raid. I really appreciate that. What happened is very debatable. It's extremely debatable. It's very debatable what happened. Yeah, efuse.gg, Mia. Otherwise, you can just hit me up on the Discord and we'll set it up together. It says I have 1K followers, but that's not true. Wait, it's not true. No, it's not true. Get out of here, it's not true. 998. 998. So we are actually 2 followers away from 1,000. Seke, how was your stream, though? I'm really wondering how your stream was. Were you doing design things? I'm pretty sure you were doing design things. You have 998, but there's a time zone difference. Oh, okay. Okay. You were working on documentation using Supernova. I have not heard of that before, but it sounds very cool. First time trying it out, it was really nice. Okay. Trying new tools is always good fun. That's true. Thank you to all of you who've come in with the raid. My name is Maddie. I am a data person. And today I am building a Wordle clone. If you don't know the game Wordle, it's a guessing game. It was all the rage last year. I've been playing for over a year, and now I've decided to build a Wordle clone for only data analytics words. It is a little bit weird. It's called datiddle. I don't think the name is particularly good. But yeah, I do lots of data related things. We do different types of analysis. I sometimes show people what's been going on in my stream. I capture all the data from what goes on in my stream. I basically do all kinds of weird stuff around data and a bit of programming. So yeah, if you enjoy that kind of stuff, then do drop a follow. 2 away from 1,000. I said that we had to hit it today because I put 1K follower celebration in my title, and it would be absolutely
shameful if I don't hit the 1K follower title in this stream. Then I've put the thing on. I put it in the stream title, but then I didn't hit it. It would be so embarrassing, chat. Like, actually shameful. So please help me. I'm not begging for followers, but I'm kind of begging for followers as a bunny, of course. Hi, cat.
Welcome in. Did you come in with the raid? Datiddle, I love hated. It sounds so dirty. Yeah, it is kind of dirty. It is kind of dirty. Speedster 11, you are the 999th follower according to Twitch. Apparently we need one more. I'm refreshing. We need one more. It's one more follow, and then we will hit 1,000. Ah, 999! No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. You can't unfollow and refollow again. You're not allowed. It's forbidden. If you unfollow and refollow, I will ban. Instant ban. Do it for bunnies. Exactly. I have bunnies. Look. I have bunnies. Okay, here, look. I have bunnies for you. Now you have to follow. No choice. Oh, you wanted to be the 1,000th. I see. Speedster. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you. 1K birthday. 1K. Yeah. I think we can get one more follower today. I think it's possible. So yeah, stick around. We are deep into dark mode of Wordle. Currently fixing up dark mode. So in light mode, it looks okay. It works just fine, right? So if I type there, then you can see the yellow and the green is fine. If I put dark, then the border radiuses do weird stuff. Yeah, the border radiuses do weird stuff. It has an aesthetic to it, but I want the border radiuses to be white. Because otherwise, yeah, it's not. I don't think that works. And there are certain banned words that you're not allowed to use. I think Steffi unfollowed, so Steffi could be the 1,000th. Oh, look! Don't forget to follow. Now the alert came up as well. And thank you for clipping.
Clip.
Because I know someone clipped earlier. Thank you very much.
Got your Twitch clip.
I need to re-record that song. Okay, so we have a root variable. Letterbox empty, letterbox filled. And then... Also, no one clipped? I thought someone clipped earlier. Weird. Maybe I misread it. How far back does it go, Rugmat? How far back does the bot go? 2 hours? 3 hours? Hey, Cat! Thank you! 3 months! 3 months. A place to put your prime. Thank you so much for slapping your prime. Unobtainium. Thank you for throwing a paper ball at me on the stream. Please allow that message through. I don't see... Dang it, you are smart. I don't see any banned messages. You will add some dictionary as a library. So actually, no. So what I've chosen to do is add the accepted words. So there's 75-ish accepted words. Your joke got stopped. Yes, it did. There's 75-ish accepted words that are all data analytics related, but you can guess any word you want. I think that's how I want to play Wordle. Because right now, in normal Wordle, New York Times Wordle, you can only guess dictionary words, and it tells you when you haven't guessed a dictionary word. But if someone wants to come in here and type EEFFE, that's their problem. This word changes with every reload currently. So it's like the word choice is like with every reload you will get a different one. Oh wow, I was really close with that. So what is this one actually? Azzy Pro coming to hit the 1K. Is somebody coming in to hit the 1K follower? Because that's pretty awesome. Everybody means the same, okay? Just so that's clear. But hitting the 1K mark is kind of cool, so... Yes, we did it, chat! AS1 Pro 1. Thank you very much for the follow. And that, my friends... 1,000 Twitch followers. No! Rugmat! No! Oh, no! No! What have you redeemed? No! Oh my gosh. No! Celebration time it is. I shall be back shortly, chat. I need to go get changed into something more uncomfortable. In the meantime, watch some clips. Right join is the best join. Congratulations. 26 ways that you can earn passive income in 2023, and then 25 of them require you to have $250,000 from your dad who gifted it to you when you were 16, and you decided to put it into some pension fund, and then you have like $250,000 to spend on real estate, and whoop-de-doo, now you can earn passive income from your real estate. But you needed the freaking $250,000 in the first place to actually make passive income. So it's like all of those articles are just debating you. They're terrible. And yes, the best passive income is to make articles about making passive income. But I will send you a package in the post. If, no matter where you live, if you hit 100 in the drop game on my channel. And someone can clip this for the record so that everyone knows. And one of the things I will show and share with you now, one of the things, and surströmming would have to come from J. Walter, that is correct, Steffi. 4x, it's Switzerland, not Sweden, you know that. I will share one of the things in the package because... Is this what you wanted, chat?
This is how you celebrate me getting 1,000 followers on Twitch. This is what you think I deserve as a streamer. Just remember that, chat. Just remember it. You've done this, okay? This is your responsibility. Double bunny as well. Incredible.
That's the face of someone who just reached 1,000 followers. Hi, Blue Squid. This is what 1,000 should look like. I deserve this. Thank you, chat. You should thank Rugmat. Rugmat is responsible for this. 100% responsible. 100%. Is it comfortable? It's okay. The sleeves are a bit short. It doesn't come in like adult stacked size. You know, because most bunnies are not like stacked. Bunny suit does have the tail, of course. How could it not? How could it not have the tail? Of course! Of course! Bunny suit version 2.0 The main difference is Bunny Suit version 2.0 is unrestricted in terms of time until the end of the stream. So whenever I decide to end stream today is the end of the Bunny Suit. Bunny Suit version 1.0 was restricted to 1 hour. It was a very speedy transition. Yes. Did you just get Blue Squid? You've just gifted a sub to 1000 Let's Go. Thank you very much for your gift sub, Blue Squid. Oh. Anyway. Where were we, chat? I seem to have forgotten where we were. I'll gladly take your points, though, Rugmat. Let me just catch up on chat, make sure I didn't miss anything. Thank you very much, AziPro, for coming in for the 1000th follower. A bunny suit is a thing in this stream. Yes, it is, Speedster. Welcome into the stream. Right join is the best join. You know you're not the best join, but I'm sitting here in a bunny suit. I have no choice. I can't say much. No one gifted me even $1 on your 16th birthday. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Speedster. But yes, step 0 in the passive income rant. If you're not rich, tell people you can be rich. I will tell you, subscribe to my package. Download my ebook today about getting rich while being in a bunny suit. That's totally what to do. It has been clipped, very important. I made that account last year for a friend who hit 1000. Keep it around for other milestones. Oh, that's awesome. That's very funny. That's a great alt account. It's a great... Shake the bunny tail for the dollars. We are not... No, Fractal. No, we shall not go down that route. I shall not become a pool hot tub streamer on Twitch. Shaking my booty, moving my body in seductive ways in a bunny suit just to earn Twitch dollars. No. How dare you? That was the only time I got naked on stream, okay? That was one time, okay? It was with a pool. There was a giant pool there. It wasn't even indoors. It was outdoors. You chat, you can't. No, it's not. Oh, what have you done? Oh no, Blue Squid. Are you really gonna make me do this? Are you really gonna make me do this? Fine. I have no choice. You were unemployed and they needed the money. Give the bunnies a pool. I don't think they would enjoy water, somehow. Blue Squid has redeemed yet another redeem. Steffi, it was actually Rugmat who was responsible for this. So I need to reposition my camera. A ball pool? That would be actually... Do bunnies dirt bathe? They like sand. They like sand. But yeah, they don't like water. You can see that the bunny suit is a little bit on the small side. But let's ignore that, chat. We'll just ignore that part. So now I need to write everything with tiny hands, because that's what hands-on means. I need to program everything with tiny hands now. SvelteKit started project a super nice Wordle app. Really? Oh, that's cool. Extra fingers equals extra speed. That is not how it works, okay? No, it doesn't. Yeah, so I'm not too concerned with this app because it doesn't need to work so well. There's a reason for that. Should I tell you all the reason? Because we reached 1,000 followers. Should I tell you all the reason why I'm building a game on Twitch when I have nothing to do with gaming? Let me know if you really want to know. This version of the suit is less of an overheat hazard. Only because it's cooler in our apartment. Only because it's like 21 and a half degrees now.
Show me what you got.
You heard them. Said, show me what you
Show me what you got.
I tune in, there's a decapitated bunny with deformed hands. The reason is relatively benign. But anyway, let's do the CSS first. So, hold on a second. How do I solve this with the box thing? So if I want it to by default be... I want it to be... Oh, you can unfollow now. I already hit 1,000. I already hit 1,000. It doesn't matter anymore, Alicia. If I want it to be white by default, but then in dark mode go into black, then I need to reverse these, right? Your screen says 999. What are you talking about? Did somebody unfollow already? Yeah, I have the clip. More is like irrelevant. No, my dashboard says 1,000. We're fine. You need to refresh. Everybody refresh. Okay, time to get back to drawing cats with knives. Hi, Black Zillion. Welcome to the stream. Wait, so I have to put... For dark mode... For dark mode, why isn't this working then? Because it's getting overwritten down here again. Is CSS like... Is CSS like synchronous? It's not, right? CSS isn't synchronous. Like it doesn't go from top to bottom, does it? Cascade? Cascading yeah, wait, no. So if I...
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
So I should put a dark media query at the end, is what you're saying. So if I want something to be overwritten by a dark mode, I can put it at the bottom. Yeah, see? Yeah, exactly. Then I don't need to do anything with variables. Then I don't need to mess around with variables. In theory. Hi, Manny. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you again, Manny. The C is cascade, and that means everything that sets the same property lower down file gets the priority. Oh, okay. And important is a way to override. Variables are better, though. Okay, fair, fair. So if I say... Okay, so if I have root variables, letterbox empty, letterbox filled, and then I say letterbox. Well, no, actually, we could call this. What is this? Dark gray. Is that the name of the thing? I think it's dark gray. Important throws all out the windows and says, don't listen to all the other rules. Okay, that's fair. Dark gray. White. I can't type properly with tiny hands. You know this, chat. That's why you keep redeeming this, because it's basically just pain for me. Okay. So now, letterbox, we're gonna do this, and then we do var, right? Var, dark gray. Wonderful. Border dark versus border light. Although we're reusing these colors for other things, so... I didn't know you were coding, I just saw a cute bunny. Aw, thanks, Blue Squid. ELX Chuo, thank you for the follow. You are follower 1001. You could just type with the other fingers. That is not how that works, Cat. That's not how that works, unfortunately. Okay, var. Parentheses. Dark gray. Limitations lead to creativity. Forces you to type the way my father does. Your father types in a bunny suit? That's a bit strange. Troll the chat. Of course. I do nothing but troll chat. I have a command called Thor's Hammer that lets people time other people out. That is the definition of chat trolling. It doesn't get more trolly than that. For sure. Okay, this seems like it should work now. So this is dark, and then if I do light mode... Yeah! This works. It's a channel point redemption, it's okay. Dark gray white. Background. Var. Oh, did I put caps? What am I doing? Var. Dark gray. Wait, I think you're using the vars backwards. The idea is to just reassign the variables in the media query.
Why? Why?
But
Why? 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 Why?
what? Why? I can do it this way. It does, like I said, it doesn't need to be good at all. It doesn't need to be good. It just needs to work. It needs to work. Yeah, I did 13 hours of CSS. It doesn't mean I understand it. Does anyone truly understand CSS? That's the real question. I don't think anyone truly understands CSS. You still have to tell it to override the thing. I know what you mean, but I'm doing it this way, and that's the way I choose to do it. And I'll tell you why, chat. Y'all want to know why? I'll tell you why. It's a very simple reason, chat. Satisfying. Blue Squid, I hope you got your money's worth. There's a very simple reason, chat. Okay? No, Rugmat. No. I'm refunding you. Redeem it later. Redeem it later. Okay? Oh no. Florida Man has been struck by Thor's hammer. Thanks to Rugmat. Sorry, it's actually 120 seconds. I keep forgetting that. 1 second. I will update the text right now. Because I keep forgetting. Thor's hammer. Thank you for timing out Florida Man, Rugman. Chat announce. Unfortunately. Oh no, that's the unfortunate one. Sorry, chat, 1 second. Purple. I have to select the colors because I haven't updated this in a while. Purple. And purple. Here we go. Has been struck and timed out for 120 seconds. Yes, I cut myself a very long time ago. Is that really relevant now? Why are you all using commands that are old? But I will tell you, chat. Has anyone noticed what category I'm streaming in today? Who can tell me what category I'm in? And if you were here last week, I did talk about this briefly. Very briefly. So I'm currently streaming in software and game dev. And I don't think, as a very serious data streamer, I don't think that category really makes sense for me. Because I don't really see data as a part of software and game dev. I see data everywhere, of course, but I see data as its own standalone thing. And I've been trying to create a category on Twitch for over 2 years.
Information. Ones and zeros never lie.
Hiolala, thank you very much for the follow. You are follower 1002, I believe. Oh wow, I landed in my own stream. Again, 9856 in the drop game. Wonderful. So, I've been trying to create a category on Twitch for 2 years by basically streaming data analytics stuff. But in another category, I will constantly be pushed down by others in the category who do far greater amazing things. Hi, Bixby. With software. People like Primogen, people like Trash Dev, people who cultivate a large following, a large audience, right? And I will always be a little bit in the shadow. So, my solution is simple. I would like to have a new category on Twitch for all of us data people. The category shall be called Data and Analytics. Now, in order to get a non-game category on Twitch, I need to create a user voice. There are other data streamers, yes, and I believe there are a lot more that maybe would want to stream, but only see a software category or only see a science and tech category and believe it's not possible. That's what I believe to be true. Hi, Mia. Yes, there are. That's right. Thank you, Mia, for chiming in on that. So here's the thing. I believe that if we had a data analytics category, we would... I mean, hi again to you, Mia. I believe if we had that category, that there would be streamers in it. Now, there are games on Twitch that have literally one streamer in it all the time, or two streamers in it all the time. So there isn't... I'm not afraid of the situation of having a category and me being the only person in it, or 2 or 3 people in it. I don't care. It's about correct categorization. Lady QB, thank you so much for the congratulations. And yes, Finite, start streaming is a different thing than start recording. Definitely. So, if I wanted to do this legitimately, I would need to go into a user story on Twitch, create a user story, user voice, and ask people to upvote. But there's a problem with that. You see, there is a user voice that has 8,000 upvotes.
I'm sorry, what? Anonymous gifted 10 subs? 10 subs? Thank you so much, Anonymous Gifter. Matty81, Seke, Cypher Enigma, Luca, Kid Billy, Bye Bye Bronza, Limonade Chick, Ched Dev, Alicia, and Nullset. All great members of the community.
You have all been gifted a sub by some anonymous, amazing individual. Thank you for the sub. Gift bomb. Anonymous. That is very appreciated. It's no 42 subs. Yeah, it's no 42 subs, but it's a tenner. It's a tenner. Absolutely, it's a tenner. That is significant. Thank you very much. Major hype. So as I was saying, cyber security, user voice. So user voice is a platform on Twitch. It's a platform that Twitch uses to collect feedback from users. And you can submit a user voice for pretty much anything you want. And you can submit your ideas on this user voice. The problem is there is a cybersecurity user voice with 8,000 upvotes. That is 2 years old. Yes, I did, Rugman. And so I'm not convinced I'm not convinced that Twitch is going to implement a data analytics category if there are 5 votes for it. Okay, that's just my opinion. I don't think it's going to happen. What I do think is going to happen is this. I'm currently building a Wordle clone called datiddle. I'm going to submit this game to IGDB, which is the International Game Database, which is run by Twitch, by the way. Once it is submitted there, I'm going to submit it as a data analytics game title. I'm going to submit this as a game. They are going to accept it as a game because that fulfills the criteria as a game. Once it is submitted, I'm going to have my category on Twitch. It's just going to be under my game, but on Twitch, nobody sees that. And the cherry on top is that I'm going to exchange the box art as soon as the game is accepted on Twitch. Just like I'm only sleeping. Correct. Except that when people stream in this category, they will know it's my category. Everyone will know that this is the data analytics category because it will be called data and analytics. That is my plan. Of course, it hinges on the fact that IGDB accepts this as a game. However, it is very clearly a game. Wordle is a game. And web games are accepted. For example, words on stream. Therefore, this will be accepted as a game. And I've already designed the cover art. Would any of you like to see the cover art that I have designed for the data analytics category? Who would like to see it? Because it's kind of nice. Maliciously compliant. If it's not a pink bunny, I'm revolting. Oh, it's better. It is even better than a pink bunny. But you can't show Twitch. That's the rule. That's what Stocks and Bonds is. It's an old board game and all the category on Twitch is people day trading stocks. Exactly. But this will become much more widely adopted. Because, chat, does anyone recognize what this looks like? I designed this to look exactly like Twitch's categories. I've done the work for them. Yes, it's a pie chart, but don't grill me on the pie chart. It is the most perfect pie chart that ever existed because it is going to get me the category on Twitch that I want. And once it is accepted, can I stream your game in your category? Of course. Of course. Alicia, I actually am okay with pie charts when they represent 2 or maximum 3 dimensions. I'm okay with them. And here it represents 2 things. Everybody in the core of the pie, in the white part, those are all the other people on Twitch that aren't in my cool category. And everyone in this part of the pie, which is selected, is everyone who is super cool in the category. 4 on yours. Okay, I could see 4 happening. It depends on the splits, right? So, chat, that is the secret. You can't tell Twitch. This was the meme of the day. If you would like to have a copy of the meme of the day, you can use the !MOTD command to get a copy of the meme of the day for yourself. I like 19 on mine. Lots of tiny ones that you can't see that have arrows pointing to them with 0.002%. Yeah, exactly. So back to datiddle.
Why?
Sir, why does one be wearing a bunny outfit? Well, sir, Rugmat hath redeemed the bunny suit redemption. What word is this? C-O and I. Stoic? Oh no, the O was in the wrong position in the first place. Half redeemed. Hath redeemed. So how doth thou half redeemed? What is the word here? I don't know what the word is. What's the word? Something with O. Something Onick. Onick? Something Onick. Onick, maybe. Obic? This is cheating. It's 100% cheating. Yep. It's totally cheating. Something with IC on the end. Logic. Fine! Oh my gosh. Oh no, I got it wrong. Oh, it's not logic? Oh, it must be tuple. Oh no, I've run out of guesses. Terrible. Anyway, the dark mode thing works. That's the point. Dogic. Kogic. Sounds like a good thinking word. Monad. Monad? Dogic? Hello? Farts. I should make farts in there just as a joke. I should just put farts in there as a joke. Just to mess with people. I'm gonna put farts in there. All the way, yeah. This is all the scope creep, chat. If you want to add things for scope creep, feel free. So if you type one of the banned words, use a forbidden word, the game is over. Just to mess with Clarkio. Exactly. Just to mess with Clarkio. Clarkio will hopefully play datiddle. It will be very funny to see Clarkio play datiddle. I think it's time to push this one. I think it's time to push this one. Because we've done... Please someone clip, I should put farts in there just as a joke. Oh no, don't clip that. I think this is ready. Let me check light mode again. Charts. Chart. Oh. Audio. Trying to get a yellow one. Pivot. There we go. Okay, so those letters, those colors look good. You have to code it so that if the player name is Clarkio, then the first word is farts. Do all the tests pass? Looks like it. I mean, I think it's pretty good. The contrast is good. If I turn off emulation, I am in dark mode. I think it's good. Let's do it. Git commit. Colors adjusted for light, dark mode, browser preference. So if your browser is in dark mode, you will be able to play the game in dark mode. Feature add dark mode, okay. Check out master. It's probably copyrighted, but you need a sound effect. I probably can't play it on stream though, if it's sound effect. We change the audio. That would actually be pretty funny. I thought of adding sound effects. I particularly thought about adding nut as a sound when you get wrong letters. When you get letters in the wrong position, but the right letter. But I don't know. Let's go to GitHub and merge. /datiddle. If I hit F12 to bring up the dev console, it puts F12 as my letter guess. What? That's a feature, not a bug. It's definitely a feature. If you don't like it the way that it is, feel free to put all of your requests for scope creep into my GitHub repository as an issue. Okay?
Why?
Why aren't you merging locally? Because I can see if the tests pass on Netlify here, and I can't see that locally. I did PR, yeah. Oh, you didn't see that, yeah. Yeah, I PR'd, so. All right, new version of datiddle is available. You can play the new version of datiddle in your browser. Please let me know if it does weird things for you. Chart. Parts. Sure, star it if to make it more legit. 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 Audio. You don't look at the stream a lot. Thanks, Yoast. No, it's fine. You can watch the stream however you want, chat. It is up to you how you consume my content. Too legit to quit. Quits. Quite. I'm gonna fail this one. Eggle. The word was blend. So apparently F12 isn't a valid word. Can you watch it on your iPad in bed? Of course you can, Surly Dev. Did some late night ramen cooking with spare veggies that were going to go bad. Oh, very nice. Food saving. So enjoy my datiddle, chat. Enjoy it. What other scope creep stuff can we do, chat? So now we have dark mode implemented. We have a tripwire function. You can also watch it on your 43-inch TV in the bath, of course. Absolutely. What other cool stuff can we do? Oh yeah, the toast messages. So there's this library called Toaster that is in here. You need the letters to cascade Windows Solitaire style when you win. Oh my gosh, Finite. I wouldn't even know where to begin with that. What I thought is about like blinking the background when you do stuff, when you win. But I want to modify the toaster messages. Ask ChatGPT. Okay, so we got the colors, that's fine. Wait, okay, so we could do the toaster thing. Just check this is up to date. Yeah. So we're gonna do git checkout b toaster. I'll call it notifications. Feature notifs. So this toaster thing. Do you want me to make this into an Ionic app and we can put up the app? Oh my god, you want to put it on the Play Store? That would actually be kind of cool to do that, Finite. Can you just package it up as an Ionic app pretty easily? That would actually be kind of fun. That sounds like a stream. You could totally do that, Finite, if you wanted to. Fairly easy, a streamer, so. Oh yeah, if you want to go ahead and do it, you have my blessing and permission to do so, Finite. You are more than welcome to take datiddle and slap it into an app and put it up on the stores. Absolutely. I don't know what you'll do to it when you do that, but gosh, it's so warm, chat. Oh. Woo. Oh, so much better. Yeah. Now I can't see anything. At least you don't have glasses on under goggles. That's true. Ski Man is pretty savage. Speaking of bunnies, what are they up to? Ah, they're just chilling. Ben's licking the carpet / floor as usual. Oh no. It's Stony. Yeah, that can be fixed, you're right. Very well. I now have vision trouble as well. Now I can't really see anything anymore. Am I on the screen? Am I doing it? Hello? No. Okay. So, toaster. How does that toaster thing work? It's some kind of library of some kind. If I go to like, where is it? If I go to the index, where's the toaster thing? Cloudflare, here it is. Toaster.js latest toaster min CSS. So it loads toaster as a style sheet and then animates CSS. And in script.js, we have a couple toaster function. Toaster.error. Where's toaster? How do I know the settings? How do I know what settings I can use for it? That's the question. How do I know that, chat? Because it's just toaster. But like, maybe I can read the documentation. Toaster min CSS. It's like a library, but I don't know what's possible with it. Ooh, I am protected from light mode with these. Did you know that, chat? I'm protected from light mode with these eyes. It's actually kind of helpful. Toaster by Code 7. Hosted on CDN. Easy steps. Toast is the thing that pops up notifications. Yeah, exactly. So when I'm doing here, when I do first, this, you use the forbidden word, this thing, which I like. It's super simple. Link to toaster, link to toaster CSS. Ah, wait, but we can't modify the CSS at all, right? Because it's an external CSS library. Huh. Demo. Okay, now I'm wondering. Okay, so there's different here, toaster.options. Because I want to change the colors, but I don't know if you can do that. I don't know, chat, is that possible? I can't see anything. I don't know if this is possible. I've never used like an external CSS file like this. So there's like a link to an external thing, toaster, and then, hold on. So you have toaster, script source, toaster.js. Okay. And then when you do here, you do toaster.error. But then I don't get it. Can you not put any options? Easy steps. Link to toaster. Oh, display an info toast with no title. Okay, I need to read the documentation. We're going to run a 3-minute ad, chat, and we'll be back after those 3 minutes. We will show bunnies again. I think they're cute. And I look forward to seeing you in just a few minutes. The ads, you won't miss anything. It's just be right back screen. So, see you in a few. Hello and welcome back from the break, chat. Hope you all took a break as well. It is now officially past midnight here in Switzerland. So it is getting close to my bedtime, as it is school night. I think all you need to do is override the background color CSS for whichever type of notification you want to change. Toast success, toast error, toast warning, etc. Well, let's try that out. Let's try that out, Blue Squid. How is the question? So like, if I have a toaster error, for example, show toast. There's a command toaster error, toaster.options. But how do I select which one? Do I just put it in the CSS? Let's try it. H1, game board, letterbox, keyboard, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's put it here. Toaster dot options, and then say close button, false. Oh, dot toast error? Wait, but how does it know that? How do you know that? Where do you see that? I'm just wondering how you got to that. Because like in the script, it's toaster dot error. So how would you define? I'm just wondering, like, maybe it's not a good example because I don't have position class. Position class. I'm very confused because this isn't a class. Toaster dot error. Toaster is an, what is it? So I'm kind of wondering. Backseat me, chat. What is toaster in this context? Because like it's an external CSS library. Ah, wait. So we can just override. Ah, wait. I see. Wait. If I open the library, if I open, that's the JS. If I open this in my browser, this is toaster v213. The latest version URL has no more maintenance. Pick a certain version you want to use. Blah, blah, blah. Toast error. Ah, that's how you got there. Okay. Okay. Well, I have to change then. Okay, dot toast error. It doesn't know this class. But whatever. It also doesn't know position class as an option. Let's try it. Toast top left. So on error, like first. Those options are in JS, but the coloring is in CSS. Oh, so we would have to pass those options to JavaScript here. in the script part. Toaster dot options. How would you even set those? Equals, nope, not that. Progress bar equals true, for example. So if we set the options there, and then we have a not enough letters error. Oh! Okay. Okay. That worked. Okay. That's cool. Okay, where are the colors though? Where are the colors? Where are the colors? Toast error, background color. Let's see if we can override them. Background color pink. So error would be this one. No. Doesn't override it. It's not overriding the color choice. I wonder why that is. Load order? As in the index? Oh, like our style sheet is before in the head? Because the head is synchronous. You're saying that could be a thing? Maybe? Last one takes preference. That's true. Oh, what happened here? Hold on. What the? Uh-oh. Wait a second. I didn't close something. Or use important, yeah. Where is this coming from? What the heck? I don't like when it's like this. But I should word wrap because I really can't see. View word wrap. Just before head. Oh, where did that come from? Good spot. Okay, so if we have FR... Ah! It did it now. Okay, so it was an order. It was an order thing. Thanks, Blue. Cool. What error colors should we use? So I think... First, we probably should use the same red. Good night, Lady QB. Thanks for stopping by. We should use the same red. I think. I want to use these in here. Style. So this position is yellow. This is green. And then we have red. All right, so these are the colors we have at our disposal. We could say we want the error message, so toast error. I think we need a blue. I feel like we need a blue because Oh, now I have to go back to coolers, don't I? Oh, I already closed it before. Such an annoying thing. So with coolers, what we can do is we can say we want... How do I get 6? I forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where was the number of colors thing? Adjust palette. No. Where was it? How do I get another color? I forget. How do I get a 6th color? I thought there was a way to get another color. Am I blind? Settings. Okay, I don't know. No idea. I don't know, chat. I really don't know. Well, fine. We'll just match it with everything except white. Okay. This is done. There's this weird blur animation. It's funny. No! I pressed refresh. Okay, whew. Okay. No! It didn't lock them. Gosh darn it. Seriously? Oh. Lock. Super annoying.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Yes, Rugmat? How can I help you, sir?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
John Ralphio?
Oh, there was a blue. Here, Yale blue. Do we like this? You're beyond help. I'm sorry to hear that. This one's not bad. Let's copy that. See if we get a nicer blue. Cerulean. Yeah, okay, this one I prefer. This is nicer. I'm leaving this open now. I'm not closing it again. Okay, so blue is the info one. Blue. And then we say, we're going to make a little comment here. Override, override toast notification colors. Toast error, background color red. Toast info. Doesn't know what info is yet. Background color. What color do we want it to be? Blue? Is there even an info one in here? Ah, you've run out of guesses, game over. Oh, yeah, okay. The right word was delta. Success error info warning. I don't think I have a warn. What would warn look like? Toaster dot warn. Warning? Lol. What does a warning look like? Let's do Maddie instead. Oh! It's literally the yellow. Okay. So the warning is a yellow. I actually want to implement a if guesses remaining equals 1. Toaster dot warning. Only one guess left. Make it count. So then if I do like this, ta-da! Scope creep in action. This is great. Should we provide a hint? Should we put a hint if someone hasn't gotten it? We could say if there are no correct letters yet by the 5th guess, we could give them a hint. Classic Wordle. Chat, did you fall asleep a little bit? I understand. It's totally understandable. I also wouldn't want to watch myself for 4 hours. Unheard of. But I think we'll do this and then we'll probably wrap up for today. If you have any raid suggestions, chat, happy to hear them. Yes, and if you'd like to drop, to see if you can win the drop game. Oh no. Oh no. Mine actually looks like it might hit the target. But like, ooh, okay, I thought it was gonna be in the middle. Oh no. No, 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 no. Okay, it's not. It's not. I can't be hitting 100 in my own drop game again, chat. It's not okay. I've done it once. I've done it once already. So yeah, what can I say? Marge. Oh wow. M-A-R-E. Florida man landed. It's just not enough to beat my score this time, unfortunately. So this is fine. This is totally fine. Srami. Oh, I know what the answer is. Oh, you guessed right. The thing is, there's some kind of opacity thing on it. Also, I want to add progress bars for all of them. So where's the progress thing? Where did I add that? Progress bar. Here. I want to add progress bar at the top. Set up notification style. So if I do first, yep. I don't want them to be so opacity. What's that mean? Opacic? I don't want them to be so alpha. I want them to be like, you know what I mean, chat? Not enough letters should be a warning. Not enough letters should be a warning. If I do like this, I want it to be like, I want it to be more opaque. Inspect. What is the word for that? Style. Display none. Root. Oh, I don't see anything. That's set in toast container div. Where the heck is that? Where the heck is the container? What? Where is that? Where is... Oh, in the toast CSS. Can I not override it? Can I not override it? What's opacity? It is opacity, right? Okay. But what would I call it? I have to target the div, right? This is so weird when it's minified. Can I unminify CSS for this? Minify. Oh, here we go. That's a lot easier to read. Toast close button. Opacity. Toast close button. I hear the bunnies going at the wood. Oh yeah. Close button. And this is the close button. Close button. Why doesn't it have any other... Oh, I could do also top full width as an option. That could be kind of cool. Top full width. Position class. Let's see what that looks like. Script.js. Progress bar true. Position class. Toast top full width. Okay, let's make an error. Not enough letters. I actually like that. I think that's kind of cool. It's very I built this in one stream kind of vibe. I think. I think that's a good vibe. I want to say what the correct answer was. Where was that? Correct. Answer? What's it called? Guess? What is it called? I forget. Here. The right word was. Toaster warning. Here we go. Forbidden words. Good night, Stony. The right word was agile. Oh, that's funny. Does that work? Can you not do dot upper? The right word was undefined. How do you chop some wood? This is so weird. Oh, it's literally don't say anything, chat. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear anyone who just saw that is going to ignore it. Thank you. Yeah. That's good. Wonderful. I think that's good. It's only a problem. Yeah, I think that's okay. I don't know how to adjust the opacity. Let's do that still. Target in the style. Where was the thing in the div? You were saying the opacity is in the div? Ah, here. Toast container div. Toast container div. Opacity 1.0. I think we need to refresh. Yeah, that's okay. Like, this is fine for me. Or we could even go to 0.9, but it was too light for me. Yeah, it was too light. I wanted to be when you go over it. That being said, I need to push the datiddle title down from the top. I need to give the H1 margin top. Margin top 1 rem. That did jack all. 2 rems. But still not enough. 3. I just need to make sure that the notification is like... Ah, yeah, there we go. I want the notification to be above the title. What are the bunnies doing? All kinds of shenanigans. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. The right word was slice. You used a forbidden word. Like, that's good. I like that. I think it fits. Which means we can commit. Styles updated. Git push. Push it to my repository. And then GitHub / datiddle. Compare and pull request. Oh, I wanted to check one thing first. Refresh. Gosh, where was that again? More tools, rendering, light mode. Okay, that still looks fine. Yeah. Okay. I'm happy. I'm happy, chat. I'm a happy bunny, as you can see. So, this is a Wordle clone for data people, chat. It is playable. It is merged. Which means it is now officially a game on the internet. When I go to datiddle.netlify.app, I see the latest version. I type first. Use the forbidden word. Game over. The right word was range. Okay, refresh. Let's start with range. R-A. Frank. C-R-A-C chart. Ha! I got it that time. Nice. All right. Well, chat, I think we have a completed game, which that means you all know what my next step is going to be. I'm going to be submitting this game to IGDB to have it officially recognized as a category for Twitch. So if you had a good time today, let me know. I would love to know and hear from you if you did have a good time. If you didn't have a good time, you probably already left, so that's fine. No problem. I think we'll go pay someone a visit today.
Or
who should we visit today? Maybe. Who should we visit? Should we try and raid someone new today, chat? Should we raid someone new? The messing up of the CSS on this thing is insane. I don't understand why it messes up. Let's go figure out who is in software and game dev at the moment. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, the credits are just... Thank you for whoever gifted the 10. I really appreciate that. But thank you to all my new followers. And thank you to also gifting people gifting subs. Blue Squid, thank you to Cat, Stony, and Dino for your subs. I appreciate that. Let's go take a look at software and game dev and see, is there anyone around that we can raido? Who can we drop a raido into? Let's see. 1K celebration. Oh, that's me. I like to raid down in the category. That's the thing. A lot of these things don't even seem like programming, but more game dev stuff. Okay, let's raid up. Let's raid up in the category. Retro game, new game, Twitch chat in Rust. Well, chat, seeing as you're a bit quiet, maybe we should go into a co-working stream. Maybe. We could do that. We could go into a co-working streamer. I think it's quiet enough. And someone is on break. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect, chat. Have a wonderful evening. I will see all of you on Thursday. We've changed the schedule. And I hope all of you have a wonderful time. Thank you for helping me reach 1,000 followers on Twitch. Finally, now I can update my goal. And thank you to everyone who threw bits around as well. I appreciate them. And we'll see each other on the flip side. Enjoy the rest of your evening, afternoon, morning, whatever time zone it is for you. Bye-bye.